And welcome back. Let's continue with the all function and all with single column versus table. All function is really powerful, especially with the text. And one of the cool thing about it is very easy to unapply existing filters. Like in SQL, there are a number of times where we use where clause within the queries. However, if we are looking to unapply it, it becomes really there is no way out for it. But with all function, we can remove any filters that are already applied from table or within the column. Let's discuss its business context. For example, you have a report layout of sales in a region, maybe for example South Asia, for a specific product, maybe for example mobile phones. However, the sales has been quite low, and in this period you saw that it's very low. It's only giving you, for example, $10 million for a particular product, and but you're looking to see it from the past periods or throughout all the past periods, and you're looking to see whether it's what was the effect. So this could be because you are only assuming it to be low. Actually, it's higher than the last time. So when you go about checking the um, past periods or maybe up to date uh, periodic sales, you find out that yep, it's increasing. From the last period it was like quite low, and current period it is very high. So in such a scenario, where you are looking to remove filters, you can use all function. Now I'll show you the demo. Okay, in the demo we'll be discussing all function with specific column and the entire table for that column. So let's discuss this. Okay, here I have created a filter context. I've selected product name as in the filter, and I've created a table with the brand names and their product sales. So what we are looking to do, we are going to create a new measure with all function. Percentage of sales. We're going to do sum of product sales, sales amount divided by calculate sum um, sales amount and we're going to apply all. So it will remove any filters that are already there, and we're going to select brand name, and we're going to measure format to be percentage, and then we add it to the table. So you can see here it's showing the percentages of the sales based on brand name. But when we apply any filter, for example we apply this filter, now you can see that it's 100%, whereas we discussed that the text filters do not, like we already use the text all filter, and that should have removed any filters that were there, but it has not removed in this scenario. So what would be the reason? Can you think about it? Okay, let's just take 5 more seconds to think about it. Let's go to the text. You can see here now this filter is applied on brand name, not on product. So therefore it's not showing, um, it's not removing all the filters because there is no filter on this product. But this all is applied only on the brand name of the product. Now if I remove this brand name from it and apply this filter or removing all the filters from this product table and see its effect. And in this case, it should remove 100%. So it should remove any filters on there and in fact only showing the number. Let's do it. See, now in this scenario, you can see that it's showing only 0.05%, that is this amount only. So it has removed any filters that were already there, and from this product filter everything is removed. Now this type of thing could be really good for slice of pie analysis especially, and this could be very handy with time intelligence functions, or when you're doing analysis on time. So I hope you have a clear understanding of all with filters, with sum and calculate. May you have any queries, you can get in touch with me. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.